What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Just Two Girls Who Work Together. I'm Terica, for those of you that don't know, and I'm so excited because guess what? So let me start here. So as you all know, we've all been in the house, right? And I just had my 3-year anniversary on the 7th. Hey boo. And so I wanted to get unique about our anniversary this year. I saw all these amazing ideas that people were coming up with. However, I was like, okay, I don't want to be outside. I want to be cost friendly, but I want to just try something different, right? So I hooked up with Kesha. Hey Kesha girl, she'll do this later. But hooked up with her and was like, hey, let's see what we can do. She does event planning on the side. Event planning and interior decorating is something that I have a passion for and would love to do when I retire, hopefully sooner. But we decided to get together with another girlfriend of ours and we hooked up my place. So we're going to show you what we did. We actually had themes in different rooms. We went all around the world. My husband and I love to travel, and so it was just the perfect idea. So hope you guys like it. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll be right back. We'll take you to Paris. Okay guys, so this is the very first room that Kesha and I started working on. We went with the Paris theme because it's the city of love. It's cute, it's date night, it's sexy, and so that's the route that we went, and I really am glad that we did. So I purchased this backdrop off of Amazon. It was $12. I measured the wall beforehand, so I knew exactly what I was getting into. What Kesha decided to do, and it was kind of like a joint effort on this one, make sure that we figured out the colors first. That was the biggest thing. We knew that the backdrop had like hints of gold, rose gold, so we wanted to stay there. We got balloons that matched that theme. Also went with the white rose petals. So Kesha, you want to tell them a little bit about like what you decided to do with like the centerpiece?
Sure. I got on Pinterest for some inspiration, and I saw a very cute centerpiece that was wine glasses upside down with some flowers in them and the candles on top. So I was like, okay, that's cool and cheap. I can get everything at the Dollar Tree. So that's exactly what I did. And I actually got the runners from Five Below. They were $3. And then the tablecloths are from Party City, because you know, you gotta have the tablecloths. Like, you can't just have a regular table for an anniversary date night, because it's not a regular night.
Absolutely. So again, this room, you know, really, it was all about the details in this room. And what I did was, and you'll see in one of the other spaces, like I wanted the rooms blocked so that he couldn't see from one side to the other. With it being nighttime, that absolutely helps. So we used what they call door streamers or door decorators to block, and we doubled them so he couldn't see to the other side. So it was just like we were in a room, we were in a setting, we were somewhere else. We could really focus in on this picture. Like when it got nighttime and these candles was going, felt like we were right in Paris. And so this is probably my favorite room just because of the details and how intimate it was. But yeah, really enjoyed it and didn't cost us a lot. I'm getting tongue-tied. It didn't really cost us a lot to do, but it was really about the details, but you can do this as well. So we'll head on over to the next place. So again, it was a whole date night move. My name was Marie from Paris, and so Marie was an actress in Hollywood, and so that's where we went next. We went to Hollywood. Come on and join us. Okay, y'all, this is room 2. It's Hollywood. So after we left Paris, we came to Hollywood, and so in here, Hollywood is a place that we recently visited last year. We went to LA. We spent some time out there. I love LA. I've gone my entire life. And I thought it was just fun. You know, you think about the stars, the Walk of Fame. So we kind of added a little bit of that here and there. So Kesha had the idea to get some stars. She spray painted those. I actually could not get the red carpet in time. So what we did was we just took a red tablecloth and kind of folded it. It was really like that red that we needed. So we just folded it and made like our own Walk of Fame. From there, added some lights. We got the Hollywood sign, and then also I thought it would be cute to do like a sipping strokes type of thing going on, whatever that might be. So we just got some small canvases, some paint, and we did that. And then we also have like a movie bucket, just with some of our favorite snacks. And then the movie of the night was actually our wedding video. And so you know, kind of played on that a little bit. It was like, there's this feature film with this amazing couple. And so we watched our wedding video. So really easy, guys. Like none of this stuff, I don't think, and Keisha's behind the camera, she can tell me, but I don't think we spent over maybe $40 in this room.
We did.
We spent a little bit over?
Yeah.
Okay, so
on the stars alone.
Okay, so this is probably our highest room. Let me shut my mouth. But again, it was still DIY. We did all of this ourselves. It didn't take a lot of things to just make it what we wanted it to be. And so we're super excited about it. We actually used the lighting that we used for our vlogcast to highlight like the red carpet. It was just a really cute and good experience. But yeah, I really enjoyed it, and I think he enjoyed it. And so we're gonna go to the next setting. So Marie went from Paris to Hollywood, and then she needed a vacation, so we went to the Caribbean. Come on. All right, y'all, so welcome to the Caribbean. So the last shot I said DIY, y'all know what I meant. I meant DIY. Y'all, hey, it's a lot going on. But anyways, so this was probably my second to favorite room, I would say, because love the Caribbean, love to travel, and so was just super excited to try our hand at this. Really easy to find some of the things. So I got these palm trees and the backdrop from Amazon. The palm trees, they came 2 in a pack, and I believe they were no more than $20, if not less. The backdrop again was another $12 purchase on Amazon. Did not cost me a lot at all. Again, just did my measurements beforehand. Kesha got these these chairs. Kesha, how much did you pay for these?
They were $20 a piece at Target.
Okay, so $20 a piece at Target. We also got like a beach towel.
That was $5 at Five Below.
Get that. And then we just got some little pieces that, like, we have the globe with the candles in it. We have the Kesha, what is the name of those things? I'm blanking out.
Tiki torches.
Tiki torches. And so we went everywhere to find those, but we ended up just getting some very cheap ones that have candles in them. Lit those. It was real cute. I have a dimmer in my I guess this is like a breakfast nook area, so we just dimmed the lights. I lit the candles, so that was just perfect. Also have a cooler, beach ball, sand bucket, so just like beachy items, beachy things. So very cheap. You can get that from, like, you know, Dollar Tree.
That's where it's from, $1 a piece. And the cooler we already had.
Dollar Tree, dollar store. Not a lot of money. Again, guys, was able to set this up, put on some island tunes. You know, we laid down, we acted like we was in the sand. Thank goodness my carpet is light, because it made you feel like you was on the sand. But anyways, it was real cute.
Imagination.
This whole thing is about imagination. But anyways, it was a really good time. We had some drinks. Kesha was so nice. She actually got us some glasses made with Jackson 2017 on there. It was so cute. A great gift to have, and my husband enjoyed them as well. So next, we're going to A-Town. Follow me. All right, welcome to Atlanta, y'all. So this, of course, is the bedroom, and so you want it to be flirty, fun. You got all of that, and so got this pole on Amazon. No, I'm lying. I got this from Spencer's. Now this was probably the highest purchase that I made, but it was a good one because I can use it again. I can move it from room to room. It comes with its own bag. The only thing is, guys, I did not, unfortunately, get to measure. So you got to make sure that you measure prior to purchasing, because if not, you're going to end up in the bind we were in, where we had to get a legit box for it to sit on so that it could reach my ceiling, because I have a 9-foot ceiling and this goes up to 8'1", I think. So make sure you measure. Outside of that, we have these. So I wanted to create like a canopy feel. So what I did was, or what Kesha and I came up with, was to look at me trying to take credit. Kesha and I decided to buy like curtains, and initially we were going to use fishing wire, but somebody that will remain nameless,
You,
dropped it behind the bed.
Terica.
Yeah, I don't know where it is. But anyways, what we did was we just cuffed them to the very top. We used rubber bands to hold them. So it was very easy, very quick. Didn't take very long. We stapled them together in the middle. You can't even tell that it's doing that. If I didn't tell you guys, you wouldn't know that. And then other than that, just got some rose petals, and then we got some goodies in the in the middle. Sorry, mom. Sorry, auntie. I'm grown. But anyways, yeah. So I just got some goodies. Did the rose petals, made them so hard. Changed the sheets because I just thought it was cuter with black sheets. Just kind of fit the sexy theme. Also, I got a little strobe light, as y'all saw when y'all first came in. I think y'all saw that. Strobe light didn't cost me nothing. I think it was like $8 again on Amazon. Was primed, came here the next day. Got this mirror. It was $5 at Hobby Lobby, I think. Goodwill, sorry, I'm wrong. Excuse me. $5, hung it on the back of the wall. Sorry, back of the door. Welcome to Atlanta. Quick, easy, done deal. But yeah, this was probably my favorite room because of the pole, because I had never had one and I thought it was just cute and fun and sassy. Yeah. So this was my 3-year anniversary. I think my husband enjoyed it. He told me over and over again he did. I'm so excited because I feel like, you know, it was cost friendly, it was out of the box. We went all around the world and but it was just what I wanted to do, and I could use my own space. I didn't have to worry about going to a hotel and quarantining, and what if something happens. I could just use my own space, you know, and use what I have, and then also buy some items. And so yeah, if you want to do this, it's really easy. You know, I got my girlfriends, we worked together, we got it done. It took us about, what do you want to say, Kesha, 6 hours?
Yeah, because we had some technical difficulties.
Yeah, and so we had stuff going on, but we got it done. It was great. But anyways, so I said to y'all at the beginning that this is something that I have always wanted to do, interior decorating and like kind of intimate planning for people. And Kesha already currently does something like this, event planning. And then our other girlfriend, she has an interest as well. And so we are actually starting a second business that will do this for people in their homes. So if you would like to learn more, if you have an inquiries or inquiries as they say, there will be a link in the description box of a Google form. You can contact us and we'll go from there, and hopefully we can make you a great and romantic date night at your house and a whole experience. What you think, Kesha?
I'm here for it.
Why am I like stumbling over your name?
Because you don't know me.
Ooh, okay, excuse me. Anyways,
I don't know. I had T.I. on the brain, that's why I said that. You don't know me.
Oh, anyways. But y'all, this is this week's episode of Just Two Girls Who Work Together. Join us next week for another episode. Bye.
Peace.